Well, so today, whether you're Uber, whether you're just traveling, whether you're door dashing, the thing is, in Florida, they have a lot of gated communities. And here's what happens. The GPS will send you to the backside gate where you can't get in. Only people that actually live there and have a monitor, they can either get in or out. So 3 times today I've been sent to the wrong side of the the complex, which means you spend several minutes and several miles sometimes running back and forth. Well, when you do that, it wastes your time and your money. So with that in mind, I decided to name the voice, the girl on my GPS, Jane. Some of y'all won't get this reference, but it's Jane, as in, Jane, you ignorant slut, you've gotten me lost again. This is ridiculous. It has done this to me 20 times since I've been down here. So from now on, if you hear me referring to Jane and doing a little cussing, it's my GPS. Another issue we have down here, oddly enough, and who would have guessed it, of all the things in the world, I'm driving down the road and I see something fall out of a tree and I kind of go around it and I'm thinking, what the hell was that? And I thought, it looks like a lizard. I'm an idiot. Turns out I'm not an idiot, and I looked it up. Apparently, iguanas, anytime it gets below 40 degrees, kind of freeze up and they can't hold on to the trees. Well, I've noticed we've got iguanas splattered all over the place out here. So, with that in mind, if you are in Miami, if you see a homeless iguana, take it in, or at least give it a blanket, or maybe a cup of soup or something. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, they just fall out of the trees right in the middle of the road, right in front of you. You're driving along, it's like flop, and there's an iguana just falling. So now I got to deal with flying lizards on top of everything else. Man, I hate the cold weather. Apparently iguanas don't like it very well either. Oh well, y'all have a good one. I'm just gonna let you know how my day was going.